Hey, what's up YouTube? I'll be doing a video on gun oil and a Zippo lighter. As you can see, this Zippo lighter is empty. So let's get started here. Just gonna see what it does. This Zippo lighter is empty. As you saw, it's not striking. So let's see. Remington gun oil. Let's see what this does here. I'm just using this little thing because it seems easier. I don't know anymore. Yeah. It's splashing back everywhere for some reason. Okay. Let's see what happens. It lights. So it's weird because I don't know, but it works. So there you guys go. If you need any other fuel, Remington gun oil, or any gun oil for that fact, because on the case it actually says danger, highly flammable. Yeah, so there you guys go.